Alright guys, we're back here today. That thing's been leaking. Let's send it. Boom, boom. Let's pull the chain off and sprocket.
This says bushiest beaver.
Shit. I don't think I'm gonna need the impact driver on these. They're all fucking oiled up already. This thing was pissing so much fucking oil when I drove it here the other night. Probably got like less than a quart in here. Look at that. RTV, I definitely didn't let the RTV dry long enough. I don't really care about marring up this thing because I'm getting a new one tomorrow. Let's pull this shitty seal out. Now we're gonna go in there with some contact cleaner and make sure everything's really clean. Just so the JB Weld really sticks.
Yes.
This could last me the season. I'll be alright. Next winter I'll tear this thing down and put new crankcases.
No, man!
Maybe some other shit in here. But at least get me through the season, bro. Look how bad that shit's marred up, man. You probably can't really even see it, but it's up here. It's so fucked. And that wasn't from me. That was from the previous owner, most likely going, yeah, trying to get the oil seal out like a fucking dumbass.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself?
Let's mix up this JB Weld. Gonna mix this shit up until it's gray. This shit's already starting to dry, dude.
Well, go on, woman. Get me my dinner.
Okay. That. We're gonna sand this shit too. But right now, we're gonna try to flatten it out. Yeah. Ugh, gross fuck.
Maybe he's right. I can't do this.
Oh shit, there goes my mirror.
You can go fuck yourself? No, you fuck off, you little fucker.
Son of a bitch, dude. The mirror snap off? Yep, there goes my fucking mirror. Cocksucker, bro. Whatever. So there she fucking blows, boys. We're gonna have to let the JB Weld cure because it's like 50 degrees and this shit's probably gonna take like 8 hours to cure. I don't wanna rush it. I don't even have the seal here, so I can't even do anything. This RTV sucked, huh? The next video I'll sand it, stick the new seal in. Where this new seal goes, I'll put a little bit of RTV, maybe. Depends how I'm feeling. Yeah, we'll go from there. Hopefully she holds. So until the next video, guys, which is probably gonna be right after this video. Deuces.